Bevor Sie sich unseren nächsten Filmtagebucheintrag ansehen, hier noch eine kleine Bemerkung am Rande. Ich wurde gefragt, warum nur so wenige Kinder in den Filmen zu sehen sind. Der Grund dafür ist, dass nicht alle Eltern die Einwilligung gegeben haben, dass ihre Kinder im Internet zu sehen sind. Ich kann Ihnen aber versichern, dass die ganze Klasse mit derselben Methode arbeitet. Beachten Sie auch, dass es sich bei der ersten Einstellung, die Sie gleich sehen werden, um die allererste Lektion zum Thema Haus handelt. What can you see in this house? What do you know already? Yes.
The father and mother.
Where is the father?
The father here.
What room is this?
Kitchen.
So the father is in the kitchen. Okay. What else can you see? Yeah. Can you show us if you want?
This is chef.
This is Chef.
Yes.
Do you agree? Is this Chef?
Yes.
Yes. What is he doing?
Sleeping.
Yes, before, just a minute before, I think, he was sleeping. And now? What is he doing now? In this moment?
Also get up.
Yes, he's getting up. And why? Why is he getting up now? Do you know why?
He is playing to tennis.
He wants to play tennis with him, I think. He's waiting for him. Yes, he's playing tennis with Henry later. Yes.
This is the cat Pippo.
Ah, that's the cat Pippo. What is he doing here? Yes? Sleeping, and where?
On the bed.
On the bed. Is that allowed on the bed? A cat on the bed, is that okay?
Yes.
So what is William saying later?
Pippo,
Get off the bed. Yes, he's saying later. Okay, so now he's sleeping.
This is the underpet.
The other cat, do you know the name of this cat?
Tim.
Tim, is that Tim?
Yeah.
Okay, where is Tim? Yeah?
The cat.
Where?
Ah,
Where
in
is
the hall.
in the hall, on the stairs, yes. What else can you see? Yeah. This is the attic. What can you find in an attic? What is there? Huh?
A chair.
A chair. Yes. What else?
A mouse and TV.
A mouse, an old TV.
And box.
I know that you don't have any English lesson the last 2.5 weeks because of your holidays, okay? So now you can write down on your ABC list what do you know about the subject house. So what words do you know about house? Just write your own ABC list. No, just what you know. What you still know. House is the subject, yes. House.
Muss ich keine Schreibfehler haben?
Yes, that's no problem. Just write what you know. As good as you know.
Da hast du Den Garten. Haus.
Glockenkette.
Og klok.
Nej, klokken. Og klokken. Okay, kat.
Selvom.
Wie moet dat?
You compared with your partner. Now give me all the words you got. A, we have A now. Yeah, attic. The name. Who is Alice? Do you remember? Who? Where? Who is Alice? Sister. From Henry. Henry and Jeff's sister. William's sister. Okay. Another word with A? Yeah.
Armchair.
Armchair. Ooh. Do we have an armchair in here? Do we have an armchair?
No.
No, because that's really like that. But at home you have an armchair.
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
dat is een beetje...
It's okay. It's upstairs is a word. It's a right word. How do you write it? You. Okay, so it's you can write it there upstairs. Up. Upstairs, okay. Yeah.
Een alarmklok.
Alarm clock. You need a second. Alarm clock. Anything else with A? No? B? Yeah. Bed. Bed. Yeah. Bathtub. Bookcase. Oh. Do we have a bookcase in here? Do we have a bookcase in your class, in our classroom? Do we have one?
Yes.
Have you got one? Where? Where is our bookcase?
Daar in de...
Yeah. Yes. We don't have books in there, but it's a bookcase, okay? What else would be? Yeah. Bed. Bedroom. Okay. Yeah. Bathroom. Bedroom. So bathroom, bathtub. Yeah. Boxes. Boxes. Where have the boxes been? Where can you have boxes?
In de attic.
In the attic, or perhaps you have also boxes in your bedroom. Perhaps a box with toys,
Or in de cellar.
or in the cellar. Yes. Other words with B? Brother. Perhaps you live with your brother in a house. Yeah. Books. Bookcase, books. I hope you have a lot of books in your room. Others? Books. Or book. Okay, we've seen. Yeah. A clock. Do you know different clocks? That's just one word. That's a clock. Do you know other words for clock? Yeah. A cuckoo clock. So we have just another one. Yeah. A watch. A watch. A cuckoo clock.